योगेन चित्तस्य पतेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतो.
Namaskar. We are celebrating International Yoga Day with little more by spreading Vedic maths. India is not only famous for yoga, Ayurveda and Indian cuisine, but we have done equal amount of contribution in the world of mathematics. Indian mathematician Aryabhat was invented 0. The term Vedic math refers to the unique techniques of 16 sutras which are defined in Atharva Ved. That's why we are celebrating International Vedic Maths Week along with International Yoga Day. स्टूडेंट्स का कॉग्निटिव ग्रोथ बचपन में और अर्ली टीनेज में होता है, इसलिए ये एज ग्रुप में वैदिक मैथ्स पे कंसंट्रेट करके स्टूडेंट्स का ब्रेन बहुत अच्छी तरह से स्टिमुलेट हो सकता है कंपेयर टू एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाई वैदिक मैथ्स वुड बी द बिगेस्ट गिफ्ट टू द वर्ल्ड अदर देन योग, आयुर्वेद एंड करीज. We are dreaming for the International Vedic Maths Day. Thank you.
We are going to use some Vedic maths tricks. So let's see. Our first sum is 3 to 5 multiplied by 11. So first we have to write 5 as it is. Then we have to add these two numbers, that is 5 plus 2 is 7. Then we have to add these two numbers, that is 3 plus 2 5. And we have to write 3 as it is. So our answer is 3575.
Sum is numbers ending with 1. So how are these numbers? The numbers are ending with 1. So let's start to solve our problem. First we need to write 1 here and then add 7 and 2. That is 9. And then multiply 7 and 2. That is equal to 14. So our answer is 1491.
The first number is 87 into 34. First we have to multiply the unit place digit of both the numbers. 7 into 4 is 28. Then we have to multiply the unit place digit of second number into tens place digit of first number plus the tens place digit of second number into unit place digit of first number. So 4 into 8 is 32 plus 3 into 7 is 21. 21 plus 32 is 53. Then we have to multiply the tens place digit of both the numbers. 8 into 3 is 24. Then we have to write this tens place unit place digit as it is down. Then carry this tens place digit here. 53 plus 2 is 55. Then we have to write 5 as it is and carry this tens place to 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So our answer is 2958.
I am going to multiply the number 35984 with 5. First, multiply the multiplicand with 10 or add a 0 at last of it. Then divide the whole number with 2. Then 2 ones are 2 remains 1. 2 sevens are 40 remains 1. 2 nines are 18 remains 1. 2 nines are 18 remains 0. 2 twos are 4 remains 0 and 0 as it is.
Here is the 7-digit number, and now I am going to multiply it by 7 times 9. For the first half, we have to subtract 1 from the last digit, that is 7 minus 1 is 6. Now we have to copy this down. 2, 3, 6, 6, 5, 4, 6. This is our first half. For the second half, we have to subtract 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is again 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3.
5,32,436 divided by 25. First we have to multiply 5,32,436 with 4. We'll get 21,29,744. Then we have to divide it with 100. We'll get 21,297.44.
The sum is 103 square. 103 square is very simple. We just write plus t as our base is 100, and we need to take and t is extra. So we write plus 0t, then t square is 0 or 9. Then we add these two together, that is 106. So our answer is 10609.
125 square and 97 square in very easy method. Okay. Then what is the square of 5? Then we need to write over here 25. Okay. Then what comes after 12? Then over here 13 will come. Then 13 multiplied 12 is equal to 156. My first answer is 15625.
Number is 583. This number is near to 600. So the deficiency of 583 from 600 is 17. So we are going to write that over there. And since 583 is less than 600, we are going to write minus 17 over here. And 583 minus 17 is 566. And now since it is nearer to 600, we are going to divide that number by 100, so which is 6, and we are going to multiply that 6 with 566, which I have calculated here. It is 3396, and 17 square is 289. So now we only need 2 digits at the end, so I am going to carry over the 2, and 339889 is the final answer.
Our sum: x plus 9 and x plus 7. X plus x is equals to x square, and 9 multiplied by 9 plus 7 is equals to 16, and x comes because of the order, and 9 multiplied by 7 is equals to 63, and this is your answer. Now going on to this sum. This sum is exactly the same as this sum, though turned around. That means the answer will be x minus 2 and x minus 3, because 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, and 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6, and this is our answer.
Vedic Maths is very fast.
Vedic Maths has its own cross-checking method.
Students enjoy Vedic Maths.
It is very interesting.
We love to spread Vedic Maths chart. The speed and accuracy gives confidence.
ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु